Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Prince, and today I am going to review this fountain pen. This is the Parker Vector stainless steel fountain pen. So first let's look at the pen, physical overview, writing samples, and also I'm going to tell the things which I don't like about it and also the things which I like about it. So this is the overview of the pen. It's pretty similar to the normal vector models, but the main difference over here is that the normal vector models come with a plastic body, but this one comes with a stainless steel body. Also there's an Parker Vector Gold edition which comes with a golden body. So here most of the body is of stainless steel, as you can see silver. Here also it's a stainless steel clip, but it's gold plated for more premium look. Here the funnel is pretty flat here too. So this is the clip. Also you have a golden plated nib over here. I have been using this pen from around a week. So the feeder is pretty thin, so some of you might like it but some of you don't. It doesn't have any grip or any sort of what to say, like any textured thing so that it is easy to grip on. But the people who are going to write casually with this will be pretty fine, as it is not that slippery. It also comes with a converter and but doesn't come with a cartridge. So this is a Parker cartridge which I'm using, but it also comes with a Parker standard converter. You might have seen it in many other videos. So here's the cartridge, and the barrel is screw in type, so overall feels premium. And by the way, this pen also comes with a Parker keychain which I'll show you shortly. And this pen costs 650 Indian rupees. So I am going to leave the links in the description section if you wanna buy it. So now let's begin with our writing samples. So for the writing samples, I'm going to use this sort of art book. It's a normal art book with like 80 GSM pages. So let's begin with the writing samples. So the pen over here is Parker Vector stainless steel edition. So I'm just going to write SS over here. The ink here is it's normal Parker ink from the cartridge. So Parker Quink Blue. So now let's begin with the normal writing samples. So the Quick Brown Fox, so yeah, it writes pretty well as expected from Parker pens. So it's pretty good, it's pretty smooth, no issues with the ink flow or anything. So if you like normal ink flow, not too less or not too high, so this is a really great option which you might like. So now let's check out fast writing. So the feed keeps up pretty well with fast writing too. There is no skips or any shortage of ink flow which I saw over here. So now let's check out reverse writing. So the nib isn't made for reverse writing, nor does Parker advertise it for reverse writing, but still let's check it out. So yeah, it writes pretty well. The ink flow is less, so for the people who want to write some slim writings in notes or anywhere, it is pretty good. So let's complete the sentence. So yeah, writes pretty well, pretty decent. No issues with reverse writing too. Now let's check out the ink flow. So as I told, it's a pretty decent ink flow, not too high, not too low. So for normal everyday writing, it should be pretty fine. There shouldn't be any issues if you are going to write for long sessions. But some may not like the slim grip, but I personally like it. So now let's check for flex. So not a whole lot of flex as you can see over here, and obviously it's not a flex nib or not made for flexing. So pretty decent for normal writing. Anyways, you're not going to use this for calligraphy or anything of that sorts. Now let's do a smudge test. So yes, I won't say the ink is really wet, but it's still pretty wet and it's good for everyday writing as I told before. So now let's talk about the things which I like about it and the things which I don't like about it. So now I'll keep this book aside. So the things which I like about it, I really like the form factor. It's pretty short and slim. It fits in your pockets or hands pretty well. Also, I like the pens which write a bit thinner, not that fat and wide. So this is pretty good for that. Also, the nib is the same which is in the Parker Vector Gold and also in the Parker Vectors, not the metal edition but the plastic ones. But still, the nib same. And also, but the change over here is that instead of the silver nib which you get in the normal Parker Vectors, this has a gold plated nib and also a metal body. So that's pretty good. The other thing I like about this is the clip is pretty springy. It's not a spring loaded clip, but it's pretty springy. And also the flat ends, I like those. And also the versatility over here, like you can use Parker cartridges or you can use the converter which comes with it by default, which doesn't hold a whole lot of ink but still is great. Also you can use the Parker short cartridges. Those are also available but not like everywhere, so you need to search for those if you want to use the Parker short cartridge, but the long ones fit pretty well, so that shouldn't be an issue. The second thing is the build quality. I mean, not the second thing, I don't know how many things I just said, but still I like the build quality, pretty strong, decent. And also I won't recommend using this as an eyedropper as it's not sealed from the bottom. So the things which I don't like about it, so personally speaking, there's nothing much that I don't like about this, but some people may again hate the the slim feeder section. It doesn't have any grip or any ridges, so it may slip from your hands if you have sweaty hands, but I don't, and I am pretty fine using this for long writing sessions like 2 to 3 hours. So this is a well built pen and I would say it's worth the price. So if you want to buy it, I have the links in the description. You can buy it from Amazon or like any other website on which it is available. Also you can buy it offline from your nearby stationery stores. And as I had promised, I am also going to show you the keychain that comes with this. So this is the keychain that comes with the Parker pen itself. So it is a Parker branded keychain. I have attached it to one of the keys. So it has the Parker logo and also it is made up of stainless steel, pretty good quality. You can use it for attaching your keys, pretty good. And I would like if they give such with their Parker Vector Gold edition, as I think it is only available with the silver edition, not the gold ones. And also I have the box with me, so I'll show you the box quickly. So this is the box. Inside this is a tin box. Inside this comes a tin box in which the pen is placed. And here there's the keychain placed. So pretty decent box. The tin box was also useful, so if you want to store your pen in the tin box, you can surely do that. So as you can see, the MRP over here is 650 Indian rupees. So as you can see, it comes with a converter and also the cartridge. So 650 rupees, I say that this pen is worth the price. So if you want, you can surely buy this through the links in the description. So that is it for this video. Let's meet back in another video. Thank you.